Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Happy Gaming House. Happy Coffee House.
Happy Coffee House.
And you see, it's definitely a new day, new haircut and everything.
So, summary of what we did last time. We changed what's the name of this?
We changed the burrs.
The burrs?
Yeah.
We thought that was the issue.
Yeah.
But then we actually found the issue that... Yep.
Yeah, it's the wrong side.
Yep.
We found the problem. Well, I think the burrs actually have some issues as well because
so it
you
wasn't
can definitely feel like it's
already...
The edges are almost gone. It definitely needs a change of burrs. For mine, I don't really have to change these. These still feel like very sharp, but I do want like a different flavor. I want to try like the SSP Lab Sweet version 3. So these are like supposed to make, I don't know, the grind a little bit sweeter instead of sour and bitter. I took these out. I had to grab like, these bigger screwdrivers because the screws, they are like very tight in there. But you already put yours in.
Everything is in.
Right? What was the problem?
Motor rotation, it's rotating to the opposite side.
These burrs are supposed to be, have a little bit, if you turn it a little bit, like it's rotating, right? And the beans goes in and spread out the grounded powder, right? But if you turn the other way, it's not actually catching the beans. It's actually kind of like pushing the beans towards the middle. That's why we always feel like the beans are like, jumping back into the hopper, instead of like going out. We finally figured that out. We probably can go without changing these, but since we're gonna change it, we're gonna.
So we're just gonna do it, right?
Yeah.
So don't do as I do.
And as always, before you open it, make sure it's unplugged.
Disconnected, yeah.
Don't put your fingers in there. Well, for mine, it doesn't matter because the burrs are out. I haven't installed the new ones.
Me, I'm ready to start going because it's making me angry that I couldn't fix it. So I'm sure it wasn't my fault.
While he does that, I'm going to install my new set of burrs in there.
Please, bro. I think it should be an easy fix.
Yeah, I guess. And we also are going to change the switch to the proper ones, not the timer. So on these SSD burrs, they do have a fixed and a rotary. And for this specific grinder, the rotary is actually like down there. Like the bottom one is the rotary and the top one is the fixed, which installed onto here. And this one will not turn, even though it's like floating around. It doesn't turn. Let's do that.
Okay, moment of truth. How the hell we know which one it is?
Can you take a photo?
No. That would have been a good idea. So do you think this is the switch?
Yeah, I know.
So it's all the...
I need to confirm like which wire is which, right? So let me just quickly install the burrs.
Yeah.
And I'm going to open mine, like the bottom part as well. Did it work?
This one I think is working.
Okay, nice.
So this is the cable we added, right?
Like the small box.
But then like the small box doesn't interfere with the like how the motor like grinds?
No, I think it's just a timer. Because it's basically just a timer that turns it on or off. So I'm doing the same thing like last time.
The thing with the...
to see if it's flat, right? And like we said last time, I already cleaned this, but I haven't applied the grease yet. So I'm gonna do that now. So even
that's how you do it like last time?
Yeah. So even though this is like food grade, I would recommend you not to have this thing touch any of the grounded coffee. It's gonna make it sticky and mess. Yeah, this is like very, very smooth. All right, let's crack it open and see if they are aligned. Oh, that's super smooth.
Moment of truth.
Yep, everything is gone.
Yeah, everything. Wow.
I'm going to plug it in and find the 0 point just for now. Make sure you don't touch anything. like inside. You see, when you hear that sound, it means the burrs are actually like hitting each other. So that's the 0 point. Right after you don't hear it, that's the 0 point. That's where you want to zero your grinder. That's why I also bought an extra one of these, just in case if the alignment is too much. But yeah, I think it's fine. Just gonna clean this off. I am going to pry this disc off and try to realign it. Yeah, forget it for now. I'll probably need like a knife to go down there and to, you know, pry open. Wow, this thing sticks.
Yeah, like I think we put it like that day with a lot of pressure.
Now it's time for us to go in and, you know, to see what happens with that one. It's time to crack this thing open. Okay, let's see. What did you do to your cable? You see, for mine, the brown and black is directly to the blue and white.
Yeah, I have a pink here. I think that's the error.
The fourth one is pink and white, right?
Oh, you have pink and white as well in the fourth?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that was the error. I thought, but no, okay. In the fifth, what do you have? Black?
I only have a blue.
And blue. Oh, you're looking only this side.
Yeah.
And the brown, right?
Blue and brown, yes. From this side, it's white and black, right?
Yeah.
So I have a white for the first one, black for the second one, yellow for the third one. You probably don't have the yellow. It's fine.
I do have a yellow one, but I don't. Oh, it goes here, the yellow one.
Why do I have two yellow wires and you only have one? But I think you just need to move this one to this one.
Here to here?
Yeah, these two cables to here. Because that's
because
what I
you
have.
it in the oh,
Yeah.
okay, gotcha. So hear me out, guys. If you can do it correctly in the first time, please do it. I always forget the pain that my fingers had that day.
Okay, let me bring a multimeter to test it out. Okay, that's gonna be easy. So for the switch, I just have my multimeter here, and whenever I touch these two together, it means they're connecting, right? And it means it's shorted. So for a switch, what you need is to have two cables short together to turn it on, and not to short anything to turn it off, right? Usually that's the case. There are some special switches. So for example, right now when I test these leads, none of them are connected, right? So now, because the switch is off. Now I'm gonna turn it on. Even though it's a timer, when the timer is on, it means like it's turned on, right? So when you test, you can see the two blue wires are actually touching, and the two brown wires are actually touching. You can hear it, right? And when you test the blue and brown, it's not beeping. The blue and brown, it's not beeping. And for the new switch, like not the timer but the actual switch, so right now it's in the off position. When you test any of the leads, it's not going to do anything. It doesn't beep, it doesn't do anything. But when you turn it on, when you test the leads, for these two, it's not going to do anything. But if you touch these two, it's going to beep. These two, not going to do anything. When you touch these two, it's going to beep. So you can see these are marked like RL1, UT1, and SL2, VT2. I don't think any of that matters. As long as you connect two of the blue cables to one and the two brown cables to two, and to make them, to short them when they are turned on. It doesn't matter like which one you connect to or any of the order matters, since the switch does not have the, these connectors. So I'm just gonna cut them off and strip the wires to connect it.
I put it in the third one.
Oh,
la la.
Maybe that's what you did last time, right?
Yeah.
Back to where it was.
Back to point one.
So just to confirm, the one, let's turn it on. 1, 2. Okay. So that's 1, And that's 2. What we need to do next is I'm going to try to find a knife to pry this off, so I can actually put the this one, the actual on-off plate instead of the timer plate. Okay, got the X-Acto knife here. I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's try. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna peel this off. Okay.
Secure.
Okay. Should I just close it or should I try it?
I need to try as well, mine.
I'm just gonna close it. I believe myself.
I don't believe myself.
You need to change your switch anyway, so you should not close it. Okay. Get that there. Let's try yours first, huh?
Yeah.
Plugged in.
Moment
of truth. Yes. But it's a little bit too tight, but yeah. No, it's not too tight. It's too loose, actually. Perfect.
Yeah!
Turn it off.
Thank you, Lord.
Okay, so that's the problem fixed. Let me try mine. I hope it works. Moment of truth. Please don't blow up.
Yeah.
And it's got the actual switch on, not the timer. So for me, mine is pretty much done. So what we have here is we're going to do this to continuous mode, and we're going to test this out. What is it? Okay, that's working. Yeah. The 2 blue wires should be touching. Blue and brown not touching. 2 brown touching. Blue and brown not touching. Perfect. Okay, so we can just unplug everything. Bye, timer. And for this one, we're going to test out. This one is a little bit different for some reason. I bought that one for the Super Jolly and this one for the Mini. Touching these 2, not doing anything, touching, not doing anything, touching, not doing anything, touching, not doing anything. Perfect. Alright, on. Then do it again. 2, 4, not doing anything. 1, 3, not doing anything. Perfect. 1 and 2, it's connected. 3 and 4 is connected. Perfect. Turn this off first. These 2 in 1, 2, or 3, 4. These 2 in the other 2. So we just okay, perfect. Let's turn it on. Working, not working, working, not working. Turn it off. Not working.
Not working.
Not working. Not working. Not working. Perfect. Yeah, it just doesn't look that good, but it's working.
That's good. It works.
Yeah.
So now,
Okay. Now you can put everything back in.
uh-oh.
Nice.
I think it's time.
It's time, huh?
I think it's time.
And you see the reason why this is good. You can
It is
just
so
put it
good
there,
now.
right?
Yeah. Please. Please.
Turn it on. Perfect. Right now it's 2 cores. So with this one, it does need a little bit of like things pushing down, like but actually maybe a little bit of more things on top.
Yeah, it's working. Yeah.
Went inside as well. Yeah, now it's much better.
Wow.
So this powder over here is definitely fine enough. Perfect.
We made it work.
We're going to use some of these old beans to grind them through, and you know, grind through a couple dose of new beans to just change the flavor back to you know, the flavor that we want. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to use some these like super old beans, and you know, these you know, like the already cracked open ones. For the final dial-in, I got some Costco Mazzer. In next episode, it probably will be at your place
Trying this,
to tune in the grinder.
installing and everything.
Yeah.
I like it. So I think this is the end of this part.
Yeah,
I thought it was gonna be longer.
it's a success.
I'm really happy you cannot see, but I'm really happy with it. I wanna cry.
Don't.
Exactly. So thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and put some comments in this video. Until the next one. Bye.
Nice.
Thought it was gonna be so long.